Good evening, Carnival shoppers. This is Daniel, your friendly naturalist. Thank you so much for joining us for what's sure to be an amazing journey south around Cape Horn to Argentina. If you didn't mean to board the Argentina cruise, please exit immediately. Oh, I'm sorry, just a moment. Alaska? Oh, sorry. Okay, turns out we're actually heading north to Alaska. Okay, well, that'll be fun too. I'll be keeping my eyes open here on the bridge for whale sightings, and we certainly hope to see some humpbacks, perhaps gray and orca or killer whales and other species as we go. Remember that the humpback whales can submerge for up to 30 minutes and as deep as 600 feet, so it can be a bit tricky to spot them, but keep your binoculars and cell phones ready, and we'll do our best. I'll announce as a clock, so 12 o'clock is going to be the bow or the front of the ship. And remember that port is on our left side and starboard on our right. So I remember that on my own little sailboat as left having 4 letters and also port having 4 letters. Tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. we'll have our Oceans of Knowledge lecture in the Faro Theater, so please come by if you're not snoozing. So please sit back and relax and take in what will be an amazing journey over the next 7 days as we cruise to beautiful Argentina. Alaska. Thanks very much. Have a great evening.
That was a great one.
I hope they liked it.
Great.
Thank you, brother. I hope they liked it. Keep it fun, you know? It is a fun ship.
Absolutely.